The very first step which we're supposed to do is to convert negative exponents to positive. Okay, we said that anytime we want to convert negative exponent to positive, we have to find the reciprocal of this expression. And negative sign, which is next to the exponent, convert to positive. The same I have to do for 7 to the negative 2 power. So 1 over 7 to the second. Okay, let me rewrite this problem one more time. This is y to the third plus 1 over 49, because 7 to the second power is 7 times 7 equals 49. In order to add fractions, I have to find a common denominator. Common denominator for these two fractions is going to be 49y to the third power. So I'm going to have 49y to the third power. 49y to the third power. Now, by what number I have to multiply y to the third in order to get 49y to the third? I have to multiply by 49. Okay? So whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do also in the numerator. 1 times 49 is going to be equal 49. By what I have to multiply 49 to get 49y to the third? I have to multiply by y to the third. That's why I'm going to multiply 1 times y to the third, which is equal y to the third power. Okay, this is going to be equal. I have common denominator. I can add the numerator. So I have 49 plus y to the third over 49y to the third. And this is the solution to my problem. Next, again I have negative exponent. Okay, in order to convert negative exponent to positive, I have to find the reciprocal of it, and negative sign next to the exponent convert to positive. That's why I'm going to have 1 over 3 to the second power times, and because I have x by itself, I'm going to convert this to fraction because I'm dealing with fraction. I have x over 1. This is going to be equal 1 over 9 times x over 1. Anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator, which is equal x over 9. This is the solution to my problem. Next, I have y to negative 2 in the denominator. In order to convert negative exponent, which is in the denominator, to positive, I'm supposed to take the whole expression and take it to the numerator. Automatically my negative sign is going to be positive. So in other words, I can say this is 1 times y to the second power over 1. Remember, if you are going to take away everything from the denominator, 1 is going to always stay. 1 times y to the second power is y to the second power over 1. Y to the second power over 1 is equal to y to the second power. This is the solution to my problem.